Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best ThermoCube is probably one of the most innovative and practical solutions for keeping your drinks at the perfect temperature, whether hot or cold, for extended periods. This remarkable device utilizes advanced thermal technology to maintain your beverage's ideal state, eliminating the need for constant reheating or chilling. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee piping hot all the way to your last sip, or savoring an ice-cold soda on a sweltering summer day without it becoming lukewarm. The ThermoCube promises to revolutionize your drinking experience, making it an essential companion for busy professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates a perfectly tempered beverage. Number 5. Inkbird ITC 306T Heating Thermostat and Timer. Introducing the Inkbird ITC 306T, a pre-wired electronic thermostat and digital timer designed for precise temperature control. It's perfect for seed germination, reptile hatching, and more. Enjoy a convenient plug-and-play experience with easy-to-read centigrade or Fahrenheit displays. You can even calibrate the temperature for optimal performance. This device features a dual display window, allowing you to see both the measured and set temperatures simultaneously. This ensures you always have a clear view of your environment. Specifically designed for heating applications, it offers reliable on-off control. Both outlets are dedicated to heating, with a maximum load capacity of 10A. Set distinct day and night temperatures to perfectly match the needs of your plants and animals. This dual-time cycle setting provides tailored environmental conditions. For added safety, it includes a non-adjustable alarm that triggers if the temperature goes out of range. It will sound a buzzer and turn off all outputs to protect your sensitive items. What we like. This device offers dual display for easy monitoring and dual time cycle settings for precise control. It's designed for heating applications only. If you are looking for a dedicated heating controller for reptiles, seed germination, or hatching, this is an excellent choice due to its specialized features and alarm system. What people say. The ThermoCube is a great little device that plugs into your cigarette lighter and turns on your car's heater. It is very easy to use and set up, just plug it in and it works. Number 4. NuFACE Mini Starter Kit, White. Discover the revolutionary NuFACE Mini Starter Kit in elegant white. This compact device is your key to a radiant complexion. Experience the power of microcurrent technology designed for your convenience. It gently stimulates your skin for a lifted appearance. Achieve visible improvements in facial contour and tone with this easy-to-use system. Get ready to see a smoother, firmer you. Transform your skincare routine with this all-in-one starter kit. Enjoy professional spa results in the comfort of your home. Embrace a more youthful glow with the NuFACE Mini. It's the perfect introduction to advanced skincare technology. What we like. This compact device utilizes microcurrent technology for facial toning. It's designed for at-home skincare routines. If you are looking for a portable and easy-to-use tool to improve facial contours and skin tone, this is a great option for a quick beauty boost. What people say. The ThermoCube is a simple yet effective device that automatically turns on your heating or cooling when the temperature drops below or rises above a set point. It's easy to install and use, just plug it in and set your desired temperature. No complicated wiring or programming required. The ThermoCube is energy efficient, helping you save money on your electricity bills by only running your appliance when needed. Number 3. EconoHome Adjustable Thermostat. Introducing the EconoHome Adjustable Thermostat, your simple solution for maintaining the perfect home temperature. It's designed for easy operation, making climate control a breeze. Just plug it in and select your desired mode, heat or cool. It automatically manages your connected devices to keep your space at the temperature you set. With an intuitive adjustable dial and a clear display of the current temperature, setting your ideal climate is effortless. You can easily control the temperature within a range of 41 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. This thermostat is energy efficient, helping you save on your home energy bills. It consistently maintains your desired room temperature without wasting power. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, including space heaters, air coolers, fans, and even refrigeration or greenhouse fans. Its versatility makes it a great addition to almost any setup. Rest assured, this thermostat is ETL listed and rigorously tested for safety and quality. It's built to provide reliable performance for your peace of mind. What we like. This thermostat offers universal compatibility with most heating and cooling devices and features simple dial control for effortless temperature setup. It's designed to save you on energy bills by maintaining consistent room temperatures. If you need a straightforward, reliable, and energy-efficient way to manage your portable heaters or coolers without complex programming, this is the perfect fit. What people say. It is a simple device that plugs into the wall and has a small digital display. It has a built-in thermostat that turns the heater on and off automatically. The heater has 3 settings: low, medium, and high. Number 2. MAXKOSKO Freeze Thermostatically Controlled Outlet. Introducing the MAXKOSKO Freeze Outlet, your intelligent solution for maintaining optimal temperatures. It automatically activates when the temperature drops and powers down when it rises, ensuring efficiency. Say goodbye to frozen pipes this winter. This device is perfect for controlling heating devices like heat cables and electric heaters, keeping your pipes safe and preventing costly damage. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply plug the thermostat into your outlet, then plug your heating device into it. You're all set to go in seconds. Stop wasting energy and money. It intelligently powers your heater only when needed, significantly reducing your electricity bill. No more manual adjustments needed. From chicken coops and greenhouses to RVs and garages, its wide application makes it ideal for various settings. Keep your spaces protected from freezing temperatures wherever you need it. What we like. This outlet provides automatic freeze protection by turning on heaters below 38 degrees Fahrenheit and off above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It's designed for a wide range of applications, from preventing frozen pipes to keeping chicken coops warm. If you need a hands-off solution to protect against cold temperatures in various settings like garages, greenhouses, or RVs, this is an ideal and energy-saving choice. What people say. It is super easy to use, just plug it in. Solid feel and has functioned perfectly during this winter. I'm pleased with its accuracy and durability. These are so handy, comes on at 38 degrees and keeps our pump from freezing. Great for you vehicle plug-in, bird bath warmers, water pipe heat tapes and greenhouse supplementary heaters, just to name a few places I have used these. They are convenient for me as I don't want to get up in the middle of the night when the temperature drops unexpectedly. Number 1. Lily's Home Water Bottle Ice Cube Trays. Are you tired of ice cube trays that are too flimsy? Many bottle ice cube trays are so weak you can't make it to the freezer without spilling. Our trays are designed to hold their shape while still being flexible. These trays are made with food-safe silicone, so they won't transfer any unwanted taste to your ice. Whether you're making ice for water bottles or juice, you'll enjoy a pure, refreshing taste every time. Our ice sticks are designed to easily fit through the mouths of water bottles and sports bottles. They are also compact enough to fit neatly into your freezer, ensuring you always have chilled beverages on hand. With 3 trays and 30 ice cube slots, you'll have plenty of ice ready to go. You can even get creative by adding juice or fruit to make fun popsicles or use them for craft projects. At Lily's Home, we're passionate about creating home and kitchen accessories that simplify your life. Our ice cube trays are both practical and delightful, designed to make your everyday routines easier and more enjoyable. We stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied with your ice cube trays, we're here to help make it right. What we like. These trays are specifically designed to create ice sticks that fit perfectly into water bottle and are made from flexible, food-safe silicone. They offer a quick freeze feature for convenience. If you love having chilled beverages on the go and want an easy way to make ice that fits your water bottle without hassle, these are a delightful and practical solution. What people say. The ThermoCube is a great little device that simply plugs into any standard wall outlet. It has a digital display that shows the current temperature and allows you to set your desired temperature. It is very easy to use and has a simple interface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.